Oh, it's a gift. Wishing you both on a daily basis, Gary. On a daily basis. One step at a time. Hello, Gary. Hello, Scotty. Hey, Virus. Good to see you. Let's go. Renee. Renee. Wishing everyone a safe and wonderful new year. To you as well, Sofian. Hi. Hello, hello, guys. We have a new member, by the way, Johnny. Welcome, Johnny. Thank you very much for the support. So, Scotty posted a message there for you, Johnny. Let us know if you still need any help joining. But thank you very much for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got scared there for a minute. I thought I was muted, but I'm not. Dimitri, hi. Hi, Gary S. These two, hey. William. Uh, Ray, Champagne. Is William? Okay, Beth, hello. Shane, hey, how are you, Shane? There you go. Yeah, Johnny. So yeah, all you have to do is go to the community tab there. There's a link there for you to join Discord, and then you want to go to the Rose channel there. To the Rose channel first, and then to the getting started thing. So hi, Nisi. Hello. Um, did you guys watch anybody else other than? We'll get to that later. Community. Let's go, guys. Crystal. Yeah, I see that. Crystal, hi. Kev and Ari. Hola, amigo. Hola. Hola, hola, amigos. There you go. Celebrating his Man U gains. No, I never want. Didn't want Ronaldo to score. That's the only thing. Because that ruined my fantasy week, Gary. That's the only thing. Other than that, rubbish. Good evening, guys. Crypto bubbles. I'm gonna get rid of Johnny's thing here. There you go. Gary, unbelievable. Look at these crypto bubbles here for the last 24 hours. Algo's done really well. Like Algo, CTC, right? GNO, just some names again. So this is just the top 100 here, right? Um, some of these names have done really well in the last 24 hours. Sushi, right? Cell, Atom, yeah. So really interesting. You think we will see some pumps tomorrow while everyone's partying, Dimitri? Maybe, maybe just maybe. Good evening, Zach. Hey yo, wayo. There you go. Say wayo, wayo. Stuart, happy festivities. Happy. What time? So it's today's okay. No, it's just the 31st for you guys. Okay, yeah. For you guys, Stuart, the 31st coming up here, or you guys are in. You guys already like on the last day of the in England, in Ireland, 5 hours ahead. I think you guys are only 5 hours ahead. I think, yeah. So almost, almost, Stuart. So happy New Year, all. I'm sure we're gonna be celebrating. When we're streaming tomorrow, you guys are gonna be talking about Happy New Year. So good evening, Zach. Yeah, we're just gonna hang for a bit, guys, and take a look at crypto and whatnot. Cover some news, blah blah blah. Look at some charts, and then just mostly hang out, right? And then call it a night. And yeah, hopefully crypto can turn around here soon. I'm sure we're gonna talk about Bitcoin quite a bit here tonight. Just because again, we're sitting in some dangerous territories, right? So we need to reclaim 50K here, but we're slowly trending in the wrong direction here. Which is concerning that we formed the head and shoulder and retraced again, right? So, yeah. Emmanuel says Happy New Year Eve. Happy New Year Eve to you as well. Just the period in general, Stuart. Okay, sounds good. Uh, you think so? You think we're gonna see some big pumps on the first of the year, Gary S? Some big pumps on the first of the year for crypto? Okay. I hope so, right? Not gonna turn down some big pumps for crypto, right? Not gonna turn down big pumps or anything. Um, Big gains, lots of bubble juice. Big gains and lots of bubble juice. Come on, 2022. Let's go. Smash a like, guys. All the fun stuff. And yeah, yeah. So I know it again. It's a holiday, guys. It's slow. We can see that in the market as well as crypto. Everything slow, slow, slow. As people are celebrating the new year or just taking some time off to say, what, 2021, you can suck it. Well, I mean, I bet you, or just resting, just getting ready for the new year. So yeah, has a delay. Still a bull, Gary. Yeah. You're strapping on for big gains. Come on, strap on for those gains. Strap on for big gains. Big pumps tomorrow. Dimitri, yeah, let's go. Right. So, Crystal sent me a tweet talking about how AMC is gonna have a wonderful day tomorrow. Push for $40. That would be pretty cool if it did that. We're gonna find out tomorrow if AMC does any type of fancy things. Socket 2021. Zach. Okay, there you go. No, rested Scotty for the let's go for the big gains. I think we're all ready. I think we're all strapped on and ready for the big gains, guys. Uh, Zombie Inu, some Zombie Inu, Zombie Inu. $47,000 here. Just let me just quickly scan through this list, guys. Now we can move on, right? So Ada is number 7 there. Cool. Hex. Yeah. Interesting. 2000%, guys. It's amazing to see, like, this is amazing, like 2021 for crypto. 2021, 2020, 2021 was a special year for crypto. Like, you take a look at a lot of these names. It's like, are you kidding me? BNB, 1,000% return from Hex. 2,500%, right? Solana, 8,000% returns for the year, right? 13,000% for Terra, 37,000% for Shiba, right? Polygon, 12,000%. It's amazing. Like, it's amazing some of the returns we've seen this year for a lot of crypto names. Like, it's amazing. Um, you know, like, it's impressive. You don't see these numbers, on anywhere. Like, you just don't. Did you say strap on, Crystal? That's not my fault. You can blame someone else. You can blame Stuart. Um, snakes. He said snakes also. Snakes on a plane. I still haven't seen that, Crystal. Oh well. Uh, yeah, like Hex is just not a name that's come out of Stuart. It's not just a name. It's not a name that we've talked about enough. I feel like, you know. Which is surprising, which is really surprising here, because when you look at these returns, that's impressive, right? That's impressive here. For Hex again, number 5, and we barely talked about it, right? 2,000%, it's impressive. La Cafe, hi,
I got hot chocolate.
hot chocolate, nice, nice, some hot chocolate, guys. Let's go.
It's been a
Uh,
blizzard for like 3 days here.
like it's still snowing.
Yeah.
Wow. Huh. That's crazy. How you guys are getting snow for like continuously. So your internet is fine today, like no issues.
Yeah, none.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Stewart says Hex is a scam. Is anyone actually holding Hex? Um, anyone holding it? Anyone looked at it at all? Let us know. Jacob says, "Hey, Mindy, let's go."
Hey.
Marla with the super chat, guys, says, "Good evening. Good evening. All I see is green bubbles. Hope everyone is making gains. Yeah, guys. I hope, I hope people are in the last 24 hours here. Hope people are making some gains, right? So some gains. Crypto rubbish, Sydney. I know what you mean. Again, Bitcoin is in a really interesting spot. So that's all we're gonna say there. Oh, Mindy, look at the hot trades coin. You see that?
It's
It's
red.
right. It's a flame. It's HT, guys. Look at that hot trades coin in there. Why is it red though? It's always green. Why is it red today? Um, Interesting.
Hmm.
Hot treats. Uh, just looking at the last 15 minutes or so here, guys. Ooh, Algo. What's with the Algo big bubble?
What the heck? It's 15 minutes. Go to the daily. Go to the
I know-
weekly.
no, when I go to the daily, Algo looks actually really good. It's like one of the top gainers.
What is the weekly? What is the weekly show for crypto?
Okay.
All red.
No, look at Algorand. For the last for week for the for the week, 15%.
Mm.
Sushi 38%. No, Algo looks good. Yeah. Happy New
Mm-hmm.
Year, Ranger. Hello, TC. Is she one of those green bubbles? BTC can suck it. Honestly, we'll take a look at Shiba. Again, can't ignore the fact that Bitcoin is going down, right? So if it keeps going, that Shiba is gonna follow unless there's news, right? So what's happening? Sydney, hey, how are you? Hello, Andres. Hello. Is also not a lot of crypto websites calling it? Wow, it's not. Yeah, we've just not heard of Hex a lot for top five coin. Right? We just haven't talked about it at all. It's just been 2,000%. I mean, um, they're trying to play games against. Yeah, that's really interesting there, guys. So Shiba for the week again, just like most things, is down, right? 13% there. Spell. I mean, you can go on and on and on, right? So look at that. We have another hot coin. Look at that, Mindy. Why do we have so many hot coins? Um, here you go. Interesting. So there we go, guys. So let's move on. There's not a whole lot else here. Right. If you have any questions, please ask. Um, let's move on to TradingView here and see what we can find. See what we can find again. Bitcoin is sitting at 47,000, just below that level there. We talked about that 52K level, how we have a head and shoulder. Mindy's chart looks a lot cleaner than mine. Maybe she's gonna explain this whole Bitcoin head and shoulder situation here. But let me just see if there's any news, and then we can come back to that, right? So see if there's any crypto news here that would be interesting. Um, what's that? Low. So Bank of Mexico planning to introduce CBDC. What's CBDC, guys? Okay. Central bank digital currency by 2024, according to the government report. Well, they better get on the crypto train, guys. That's what they need to do. Fluky Inu here. What's that? Fluky Inu community creates petition to be listed on Kraken. Okay, cool. Cool, right? So, um, everyone's fighting to get on Kraken and Robinhood. All these petitions. I don't know. If they actually. I'm sure there's an element to like them working, but we've yet to see a really good one work. We've yet to see something like Amazon or Robinhood. Yeah. Um, SEC recruits former Senate aide crypto advisor. Why 2022? Why 2022 could be the best year for Cardano? Uh, Top bullish predictions. 2022 could be the year for ADA. Why? Um, I'm not gonna go through this article, guys. We talked about ADA quite a bit. I think anyone that's holding ADA sees the value in it, right? To scale in. Um, so I don't want to I don't want to go through this article again. It depends a whole lot on what Bitcoin does. Anyways, so at least for now. Um, what else? Shiba, right? So this article came out today. So Shib listed on India's largest exchange, born to be used for gas fees in Shibarium. So again, that's something that was mentioned last night in the Shiba AMA there, right? Uh, so there you go. So that's that. Yeah. And also this Indian news is not that it's not new, right? So remember 2 weeks ago, Mindy shared something on Twitter about that again, the largest India crypto exchange listing Shiba, right? So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
nothing new there again. So just exposure, guys, right? Exposure. Anything else that we should be looking at here? La 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 la. Yeah, Mindy, let me know if you see anything.
I'm looking.
Yeah. Then,
um, Joe Rogan has been introduced to the Sandbox Metaverse.
ooh.
He had his podcast and a guest on
This
his.
is where?
Whoops!
What is this?
I
This
gotta
would
mute
be
this. And a guest on his podcast explained the Sandbox to him, and he seemed pretty excited about it. So don't know what that means, you know?
Wait, to Sandbox? Wow.
Yeah.
Huh.
And
Interesting.
what
Uh,
is this article?
yeah. To Sandbox, guys. So, Bored Ape NFT collector loses 2.2 million in phishing scam. Interesting. An NFT collector lost millions of dollars worth of NFTs in an apparent phishing attack. The New York-based art curator and NFT collector going by Todd Kramer.e on Twitter reported that 16 of his prize tokens were stolen today in an apparent phishing scam. What does that mean, though? How did he lose that money? Then those NFTs, the collector was hacked after clicking on a phishing contract disguised as a genuine. Wow, that's so fishy, guys. How you can click on a link and then next thing you know, in like the reason that stands out to me more and to Mindy as well, is the fact that we get so many links. That we get so many links in terms of like, oh yeah, they're like click on this. We want to work together. We want to do this and this and this, and then you click on them, and like it's just that's scary. That's really scary. Right? So disguised as a genuine NFT, contracts to spend tokens of Hive while the hackers sold NFTs. So while the hackers successfully sold several stolen NFTs on OpenSea, others were frozen by the platform upon Kramer's request and maybe returned to him. Right. Overall, 16 NFTs were from three different collections have been taken out of his wallet, including eight Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, seven Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFTs, and one Clonex NFT based on floor prices. Cool. I mean, not cool, but so again, roughly $2.2 million was stolen there. Wow. Um, yeah,
It's quite a bit of money.
yep, yep. Gonna
For how secure some of this stuff is supposed to be, there's a lot of stealing.
Yep. you know, like you just like it's just like you take a look at like how much money's been stolen this year, like related to crypto alone, it's like billions of dollars. Not from like small people too, from like
I
big
know,
exchanges.
for real. Yeah,
Like
they're like,
it's
oh, it's so secure because you have to have like nodes, and then you have to confirm this and this within
yeah,
the blockchain, and then it's like, let's just steal the money. Like how?
yeah,
How? But
yeah,
I guess
yeah,
my any type of money is stealable. I guess if
yeah,
you know what you're doing.
yeah. Well, hopefully they can fix that there. Crypto market cap lost 250 billion in 3 days as Bitcoin slid to $46,000. Wow. Um, it's amazing how like we get any type of movement in the crypto market, how much it erases. Um, a lot of stolen money has been recouped. Stuart, yeah. Hey Maddie, what's up? What's up? What's up? When stolen from people, we don't seem to generally blame the cash. Tyler, no,
Hmm.
no. But again, we can't hold that to the same standard though, right? Because that's part of the reason why we want to move from like this to that, right? There's a
Yep.
difference. Yeah. So no, I'm sure. Just not to say yes. Okay, sounds good, Gary. I wish have a wonderful night as well. Um, I heard tonight events for Winklink. Interesting. Alrighty, guys. So Mindy's gonna pull up her Bitcoin chart because it's a lot cleaner. Then we can just take a look and see what Bitcoin looks like, guys. And then yeah, don't think it's gonna be a long stream. There really isn't a whole lot happening, anyways. No, I know, Tyler. Like it's yeah, it's a whole it's a story. It's a story. with a lot of layers, right, Tyler? It's not as simple as we might make it seem, but so both sides. Dimitri says, Blaze, you like to Blaze? No. uh, there you go. Mindy, you chart? Okay, there you go.
Mhm.
There you
Yeah, so Bitcoin, we've talked about this for I don't know how long, past few weeks, month probably. Um, the last time Bitcoin formed a head and shoulders right here, we went all the way down to 28,000. Not to say that that's where we're going because we have formed some higher highs, but you can see this head and shoulder forming as we failed to reclaim 52,000 right here. So for us to get out of the mess that we potentially could be in, we need to reclaim that 52,000 roughly right here. If we don't, we will be retracing to the next known support level, uh, around 40,000. If we fail to hold and push back above, and then if we fail that, 28,000 is definitely not out of the picture quite yet. But not to panic, not to panic anybody. There's still time. It's trying to recover, but we have to just keep our eyes open for these levels and hope for the best.
go.
But there's like a lot of articles going around, right, Blaze? Like ten
Yeah.
thousand
Hmm.
dollars. Not to say that that's where we're going, but
Hmm.
if we do end up failing 40,000 again, if we end up going back down to that support level, um, that might draw some concerns if we drop down to 28,000 again. And who knows if people will be comfortable with that for a second time,
Hmm.
since they've put price targets way out there, So
Hmm.
hopefully they can reclaim that 52,000. And if not, hopefully we can build some support here and gain some momentum. But 40,000 would be the next support level. And then below that, the strongest support um, that we've seen in the past is at 28 to 30,000. So,
Hmm. Yeah,
mhm.
like it really is that simple, guys. Like that's what we're looking for. We're sitting in a wait range where we're waiting for confirmation, right? Other than that, we're just waiting, right? Clear $52,000, guys. We're looking for new highs, right? We're looking for the 60s and potentially the 70s, right? And maybe 100K in 2022, right? Um, but then you start breaking below like 45, right? Just like Mindy's drawing right there. If we clear that level, then okay, well, I think we're off to the races, right? And crypto's gonna turn and run, and we can start moving higher here, right? Everything is gonna start pumping higher because that's just what crypto does, right? You break below, like you start breaking below like 45, right? You start breaking below $40,000 here, and then it becomes a huge concern, though, right? It becomes panic mode. People start panicking, like, oh no 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 no, right? So, yeah,
Yeah,
what?
hopefully we can do that. Hopefully we can find some support right here
Yeah.
around 45,000, and
Mhm.
then go for it again and
Mhm.
break above finally. Because I mean the chart, as much as this looks scary right here, really doesn't look all that bad. If we can hold that, this is a
Yep.
bad trend line. But if you
Mhm.
can hold that and then just keep pushing up like this, it really doesn't look bad.
Mhm.
Once you start breaking below that, though, then that head and shoulders is going to start confirming and potentially bring us down to these areas that we hate to be at. Um, but you have to remember too, Bitcoin's had one heck of a year. Um, so if you
Mhm.
compare it to where it was last year, it definitely has one good year. So retracements are expected, but when you start going back down to the levels that you previously came from,
Mhm.
um, last December, beginning of January, that 20, 30,000, that
Mhm.
draws some concerns in the crypto market, and people might, uh, you know, they might
Yep.
be very upset about that. So, and who knows what can happen at that point, but.
Yep. There you go.
Mhm.
Good evening, Noir. Good evening, good evening, good evening, guys. Hi, Marlo. Crow, Mana, Saitama, Shiba. Those are your plays. Okay, nice. Again, another thing that someone brought up too. That might make you that might make you believe that in the long run you should be fine. Is the fact that we in the last year or so we've had a lot of like institutional money get into crypto, right? There's a lot of big money in crypto now, right? So we could talk about like the 20s and the 10s, but there's a lot of money backing it. We've seen people like these banks, like Goldman Sachs, and all these banks open up divisions, like crypto divisions for the wealthy clients. We've seen this and this and this and this, right? So that makes you feel a little bit comfortable that in the long run, even if we do get a retracement, we've seen it before, and we've seen a recovery back to all-time highs, right? So that in the long run, you just might be okay, right? So nothing. Yeah, no work is so wonderful, Noir. I bet you it is. I bet you it is, Noir. When are you back? Next week, next Monday? Yeah. So we're playing with $47,000 here, guys. We can talk about this retracement here, um, but nothing's confirmed to the downside though, right? So yeah, again, completely fine there, right? So yeah, we can keep talking about these and talk about all these articles and where we could potentially go to, right? Hashtag we be fine. Let's go, Amber. Good morning, good evening. Hey. So all right, again, for now we just wait. Spot ETF, right? We've had so many crypto ETFs, I think, again. So this just shows you the direction that we're moving to, right? So right. And yeah, so patience with it, right? If there's anything that you're interested in, you've been looking for, and you think it's overpriced, yeah, I mean, you thought it was overpriced. As we get these dips, these are again, that's when you start scaling into your positions, right? And then when crypto's bumping again, you sit back and you know
Relax.
relax and
Or
enjoy those
just be
gains, right?
yeah.
So yeah. Other than that, is you just scale in by those dips, whatever you can, you know. So yeah,
Yeah.
yep.
But I mean, just as much as they're like hyping Bitcoin and stuff, like I don't know. I can't say that it's not going to or whatever, but I really have a hard time believing um, that we could see those lower numbers again. Just
Mhm,
because they've they've crushed it and they've pushed it out and they've done everything that they could.
mhm,
And I find it hard to believe that you worked, a whole year to do this just to come right back to where you started. But
mhm.
it always could happen.
Yep.
But I just have a hard time
Yep.
believing that. But I guess we shall
Yep.
find out.
Yeah. Exactly. So.
All we can do is wait. It's out of
Yep.
our hands.
Yeah. Just waiting for like any type of confirmation or anything, So.
Hmm.
Yep. Ross says, "Oh yeah." Oh yeah, Ross. You have no idea what that means. You have no idea.
Oh, yeah. I'll show you what it means. Hold on.
You're gonna show them what it means. Oh
Yeah,
no.
I think I find it.
Okay. Well, the reason why that's funny, oh yeah, because that's my favorite. That's like my favorite. What do you want to call it? Is it an emoji? GIF? What is it?
Yeah, what is it though?
I don't know what it's called. It's like it's like a GIF emoji. Ross says, "Oh yeah, who wants my shirt, Ross? I want your shirt. I want your
Yeah.
shirt, Ross, because it came with 2,000. Bless you. uh, Only if it has
I
sleeves. Please and thank you. Relax,
I
enjoy
can
the ride.
find
All
it.
good, huh?
Like I'd have to post it. Where can I do this? Hmm. I'll figure it out.
Actually, like I'm sure, like we could get like a live thing from like Google's or something. Like just a yeah, I don't
I
know.
have it on my computer because you wanted it as a gift
Yep.
on Discord. So
Yep. Almost 20 million Bitcoin have been mined. Of 21 million, Tyler. Yeah. Again, scarcity, gold, value, right? So again, let's keep going. Come on. Don't think. So yeah, let's go. Let's start pushing for those 100Ks, Tyler. Right? Let's go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah, if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, you know what to do, right? Come join us in Discord. Um, uh, you almost broke your screen. Dimitri says Mindy has Omicron. No, it's because she's been.
no, it's
Here you
because
go.
I have allergies really bad. I don't know
Almost
why.
broke my screen. Here you go. Thank you, virus. Yeah. Here you go. What
I don't
else?
know if I do this. Let's see. Couldn't paste, man.
Mhm.
Hmm.
I don't know how you're gonna do that. So while we're looking for that, oh yeah, you guys know what I mean. If you that oh yeah emoji there, let me go back here to. So we're gonna come back. Um, if my thing can stop playing games. So we've looked at Bitcoin already. We talked about Bitcoin quite a bit, but I just want to quickly go through some of the other names, right? Again, guys, we've talked about these things over and over and over and over. Don't think there's any more, anything new here. Again, for Shiba, we wanted Shiba to bounce off again. So hopefully, we hope that this would be the base, right? Around that 30 level that we had it, consolidation here previously, had a nice bouncy as well, right? Filled that 40 there, struggle bus, right? So hopefully, we can continue to sit above 30 here, guys, and consolidate as Bitcoin figures its is you know what out, right? So again, so hopefully we can keep holding about 30. Maybe just go sideways as Bitcoin does its thing, and then we can recover together. Um, right? So last night's 2021 blessings, greetings, hello. Everyone's strapped on and ready for 2022. Yeah, you guys are strapped and ready for 2022. I'm strapped and ready for 2022. So let me take a look at mana here. If I can find the right one there. Yeah, some.
Show us a gift on the screen.
It's not moving.
No.
Okay,
Talk
why is
about it.
oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's my favorite gift, guys. That's my favorite like emoji. That's it. Oh yeah.
That's it, guys.
So when you guys see me react to stuff like that in Discord, yeah, it's there might be nothing else to that. It's just I'm just having fun with it.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, Travis. Oh yeah, that's my favorite thing. I don't know why I like it. I don't know why I like it. It just seems like fun. I just have a history with it. Um, yeah. So there you go.
He has a history with it.
Yeah. No, like with the emoji, like I used it for a long time. That's why.
Mhm.
I always just had fun with it.
Mhm.
Never seen the emoji though. Virus, that's your favorite one? Oh yeah. Uh, what am I smelling, Travis? I don't know what you're talking about. Johnny says, "How do I get into Discord? I became a member tonight." Johnny, so welcome. Thank you very much again for the support. So all you want to do is go over to YouTube since I don't have the other screen set up here, Mindy. I just didn't feel the I don't know. So you want to
Mhm.
go over to YouTube, Johnny. So go over to YouTube, search hot rates, right? Search hot rates. Hot rates. Click on the name, the logo, whatever you need to do, right? So again, you have to click on the name of the logo and then go to the community tab here, right? Community tab here, Johnny, right there. The very last post you're gonna see is a Discord link, right? It says join Discord. So what you want to do is click on that link. It's gonna take you over to Discord, right? So you want to go to it's gonna take you to the Rose channel. So go to the Rose channel first, right? Read that information. Click the cookie at the very bottom, right? And then you want to go to only have two channels, right? So one is the roles. So click the cookie in the roles and then go to the getting started channel there on the left hand side, right? Click on getting started and follow those images there and you should be good to go. So just follow those images, right, with the right email that you paid with you on YouTube as well, and you should be good to go, Johnny. And then yeah, you'll be in and ready to go, ready to go, guys. So uh, how many Discord members? I don't know. We have a lot of Discord members.
Mhm.
What?
Did you talk about sheep doing the now payments? Like they're gonna start doing burning with now payments?
No, I
Talk about
haven't.
that.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Well, okay. There you go.
Hmm?
That was me talking about it, guys.
Okay. Unbelievable.
That's
Unbelievable,
all the
guys.
information I have. There's no other details. It just says now payments is set to add sheep burn feature for
Yep.
merchants in early 2022.
Yep.
And then when we did that Shib AMA yesterday,
Yep.
like we listened to it a little bit. I
Yep.
missed half of it, but what they say, like in the coming days, they're gonna be working on something. So
Uh, yeah. Yeah, they said
who
they're
knows?
working on a big surprise early parts of 2022 there. Uh, Also, they're doing two games. Shiba is planning again working on two games. One of those games is going to be play to earn, right, with the blockchain and Shiba swap and whatnot, right? And then the other one is just going to be like a regular game on the app store is what they're doing, right? So Shiba gaming.
Like a
Uh,
card game.
mhm.
She said like a card game.
Unbelievable. I think
She
it's
did.
Dimitri says. I think it's time we do another burn again. So we'll do another burn when crypto turns around. We start getting some some upward momentum there. We'll do another one. So and then go from there. Just want to
What are you
quickly run through.
typing?
Hmm.
Go for it.
Okay. So mana here, guys. Mana, right? So what most of these charts look very similar, like all the same, right? You take a look at Mana, San, Shiba, all of them look very similar, right? Where we had that drop because crypto went from again, Bitcoin went from like $70,000 back to 40 whatever, right? So we see these drops on everything. Had a little recovery here to 52K. Well, right. Mana went on a little recovery as well, and here you can see how Bitcoin is retracing and everything else is retracing with it, right? So again, they all look very similar here. What are we waiting for, guys? I know these are futuristic plays, right? So again, the metaverse has become a thing that everybody talks about now, right? Metaverse this, Nike metaverse, Facebook metaverse, blah 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 metaverse, right? So I don't know, blah 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 metaverse is a metaverse. Uh, there you go. So these are the type of names that you're looking to scale into, right, and invest if you do believe in the metaverse there as a thing in the future, right? So as we get these dips, right, but a lot of this is depending on what Bitcoin is going to do, right? So a lot of Bitcoin, watch it closely, right? You take a look at Sand here. If I can find the right one there. Very similar, right, guys? Again, nice pump, retrace, pump again here, and here we are retracing, right? So it's all the same thing, right? So I know Crow is a name that's coming up with some potential news here soon, right? Does it look the same, guys? Yeah, it does, right? Exact same, right? Pump, retrace, little pump here, right? And here we are again back to 55. So we know Crow is coming. What's the date for Crow, Mindy? Is it the 25th?
For the Super Bowl?
I know. I thought there was a different date. There's something about the 25th, and yeah, yeah. For some Crow again, I know the name change. I thought the name change was on the 25th of December, so it's past. Um, but is that
For
the?
what name change?
Yeah, I think it might be a different date. So I'm sure someone in the chat knows. Um,
What name change?
from like the Lakers. So the Staples Center to the
Yeah, it's done.
is done. Okay.
Yeah.
Why wasn't it a bigger deal for some reason? It's just because of the holidays, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, if you look at their like Twitter, like it's all done.
yeah, yeah. Marlo says, "What date was the one chip challenge? She wants to go back and watch it. That was actually really fun, Marlo. Like a lot of fun.
I can't remember.
Yeah, the one chip challenge. Um, does anybody know what
I
day?
don't even know what we were streaming.
Huh? Yeah. We need
It
to.
was a Friday. It was a
It
Friday,
was.
right?
I have
Or
no idea.
Thursday.
Yeah, I have no
How
idea.
bad was the chip? It was pretty bad, not gonna lie. Like I wouldn't do it again. I don't think I would do it for $1 million. Honestly. Like maybe for $1 million. Nothing less though. Like it was bad. Wouldn't do it again.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't
yeah.
even eat the whole thing.
Huh?
So
Yeah.
I didn't even
That's.
eat the whole thing. I ate half of it and then Peter ate the whole thing and
Yep.
he was like in his hospital bed.
Yep. Yep. That's scary. You can see Peter's face. He looked like he was fighting something. You know,
Like a
we need to
demon.
get. Yeah. On the next milestone, Eric says, "What's up, people? Watching you guys from work for a bit. Eric, how are you? Good to see you. Yeah, we're just hanging for a bit and talking crypto, right? So, we've covered a lot of stuff already in terms of like what we're looking forward to, right? We've covered some articles and whatnots and some charts. So if you have any questions, ask, right? But we're just going through the list here. So again, that's Crow, guys. Looks the same as everything else. So ADA actually, ADA of that 120 level had a nice solid bounce, right? But does that look the same, guys? It looks the same. Like it's just very similar to everything else. ADA though, ADA has been really interesting because it's struggled. You know, like its downtrend is longer than everything else, right? It's been struggling here for a bit. We bounced up that 120 there nicely, right? So nice little recovery here to 150, just above that level, and then right back down here, right? So again, needs that crypto turnaround. We need crypto to turn around here together, right? And ADA is gonna go as well. What else, Mindy? I know Matic has had a really amazing, last little bit here. So ADA, right, pushed to new all-time highs here, almost at $3, right? So Matic had a nice push, just like ADA to $3, and then it's slowly retracing here now, as you can see the crypto market turn around, right? But you take a look at ADA, right? Has a nice long uptrend here, right? While everything's been ups, it's been going down here. Not ADA, Matic has done really well, right? So it just hit that level at $3, and it's looking for a retracement, right? So see if we can hold 250 here, right? 250 would be nice if we can hold that level and then keep going, right? So yeah.
Hmm.
There we go. So Marlo, Scotty says for your information, one chip challenge was December the 22nd. December the 22nd. Thank you very much, Scotty.
Hmm.
December the 22nd.
Is that a
Uh,
Lambo in your picture?
my picture? Oh, Scotty's picture? Is that a Lambo?
Yeah, it
Wow,
is.
it is?
Oh, yeah.
When Lambo? When Lambo, Scotty? La- when Lambo? Work in the ER tonight? You're working in the ER tonight, Eric? Yeah, you're dealing with a lot of like, yeah, you know what I mean. Um, not when you faces changed at a similar time. That's when we knew I got real. Yep. As soon as I saw Peter's face, I was like, yeah, this is no joke. This is
Yeah,
no
it
joke.
wasn't fun.
We'll reach 1,000 darkness. I think Soul is gonna reach 1,000. What does Soul look like? I know Souls have had a wonderful year. It's had a really good year. A really really good year. Is it going to get to $1,000? I mean, it's possible. Is that something I can tell you? No, absolutely not. Right. So I don't know if I want to call that a head and shoulder there, but that looks very similar to Bitcoin actually, Mindy. Like very similar. Well, most things do, but that chart actually looks very similar there. In terms of like fill on the right top, fill again right there, and retracing. So again, it's going to depend on a whole lot of what like crypto in general does in 2022, right? Yeah.
Mark Cuban's bullish about 2022, so
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I trust him.
Yeah. I mean, he's been bullish about crypto for, he's been
Yeah.
bullish about crypto and NFTs and whatnot. So, yeah. 15 $15 version from Costco. It'll do until you can afford everyone, Scotty. Let's go, right? It's a baby step. Manifestation, right, Scotty? Think it, believe it, and yeah, make it happen.
Oh, is it like a little? Oh, that's cute. I like
Oh, the
it.
love.
I always
Oh,
thought about doing that, like giving away a Lambo on here, and
yeah.
then being like, "Sweet Hot Wheels," like a
People would
little plastic
roast
thing.
you. You'd be in so much trouble.
Oh,
Yeah. If Souls goes to 1,000, you're millionaires. Stuart, let's go. Come on, make this money, Stuart. Make that money. What do you think about AMC? With the three sites showed 40% short interest, Evan. We'll find out though, right? We'll find out again. So there's a tweet on Twitter going around that Crystal sent to me. Something about tomorrow is going to be a big day for AMC tomorrow and $40 tomorrow. Uh, but we see those things all the time, so we're just gonna have to wait and see, right? So um, just gonna have to wait and
mhm.
see, guys, what happens tomorrow with AMC being the last trading day of the year, right? So um, darkness, yeah. Those Solana fees. Yeah, cheaper. Nah, it's taking over the NFT markets. Yeah. Yeah. What else would you guys like me to take a look at here before we do that? Yeah. No. Nick, can you share your screen for
Yeah.
yeah. Not holding your breath on AMC, Eric. You can't honestly, right? So you really can't. So yeah. Can we? You can't hold, so if it happens tomorrow. We still need to clear $30. We talked about $30 all day today on AMC, and never quite did it, right? So well, we broke above, couldn't quite hold above it. So they know how important that level is, right? So we really need to break above that level. So yeah. And of course, Doge, guys. Let me take a look at Doge. So we know and hope, right, that Doge can go for one of its, go for its run here. We have support here at 16 cents. 16 has been a really good level of support for Dogecoin, right? It's been a really, really good level. We're sitting right against that level of support for now. Hopefully Elon can work some magic here, right? In Actually, you know what, I've been and did you know that okay, you saw that already. Like Dogecoins actually come up with a plan now, like a white paper, right? Finally,
Yeah.
you saw
After we
that?
talked about that on stream, and I said it was absolute rubbish.
Yeah,
They had no white paper, nothing.
yeah.
Like I was so mad about it. And then like what was it, a week later, they were like, "Here you go, Mindy. Sorry for the inconvenience."
There you go.
No, that's
So
cool though.
yeah. How you can get in? Any idea how you can get into what, Johnny? You screwed up. Can't get into. No, skip the rules part. Any idea how you can get in? So click on the link, right? You have two channels. Click on that link. It's gonna take you over to Discord, right? You're gonna have two channels. It's gonna take you to the rules channel first, right? Just click on the cookie at the very bottom, right? Click on the cookie at the very bottom there. Of the rules channel there, and then go to the getting started, Johnny, and you should be good to go. So keep playing with that. And you figure it out, and then go from there. 1 second here. Oh. Now payments, major sign up, Robinhood. Oh wow, maybe I didn't actually see all these articles here. Hmm,
Mm-hmm.
cool.
Here, I'll show you how to do it. How to get into Discord. Just give me a second here.
Hmm.
Okay, share. Stop screen share. Boom. So this is what it looks like when you get into Discord, right? So
There
you're
you go.
gonna read through the rules. Make sure you understand them. Click the cookie. Click that, and you're gonna go to the Getting Started page, and you're gonna follow these instructions. How to link Discord to your YouTube so it can see that you're a member, because it's got to show up that you're like a member in here, right? And then you'll show up in here, and then you'll be able to see all the fun stuff. Oh,
Hmm.
yep, you'll be able to see all this fun stuff when you get in.
Yeah, there you go. It's unbelievable clean how you've gone through all the channels, Mindy. Unbelievable.
What?
No, never mind. Hey,
What?
Fafa, hello. No. Hey, Fafa, hello. Hi. Can you please tell me how to enter a trade after a bearish inverse head and shoulder created? Sindina, how to enter a trade after a bearish head and shoulder created? So what do you mean? Looks similar, but blanks. Yeah, you're gonna see blanks. You're only gonna see two channels, right, Johnny? You're gonna see blanks, two channels only. Roles. You want to go to the roles first, click on the cookie, and then go to the getting started, and you follow those images, and you're good. Um, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Yeah, Sandina, I'm not sure I understand your question. So yeah, Mindy, whenever you're ready to, you can go ahead.
Okay.
So Virus says, feels good to catch a stream. Yeah, yeah. Really happy you can catch a stream too. Really happy you can catch a stream.
Yeah, guys. So we wanted to talk about iTrust too. It's one of our sponsors. They reached out to us and sent us a bunch of stuff to go over. And it's actually really cool. What iTrustCapital is it's a cryptocurrency IRA. So what you can do is you can sign up with them, open an account. Once you open and fund your account, you get $100 of free Bitcoin. It's It's pretty cool. There is no monthly fees anymore. They used to have a monthly fee, but they got rid of it, and there's no setup fees, 1% transaction fee, and you can trade tax free in an IRA. So 24/7 investing, just like regular trading. And then what cryptocurrencies are available to trade on here and to invest in with your IRA? Anything from Bitcoin, Dogecoin, um, all this stuff, Algorand, Cosmos, and Shiba Inu. So they've listed Shiba on there for everybody. They've got a bunch of stuff, and now they're going to be listing AVAX as well. So it's pretty cool how it works. If you're interested, definitely go on there, create an account, and look into, yeah, you can also transfer your IRAs. So you can do your 401k if you're with like a company that's 401k. If you're in a government job, you can do your TSP and transfer a portion of it over. And it's pretty cool how it works. And then I was gonna show this that they sent me here for you guys. Just one second, it's loading. It's one of the top 63 best cryptocurrency startups, the future of crypto. You've got a bunch of good names on here, and then also iTrust is included as well for a crypto startup for the IRA. So it's pretty neat how it works, and if you're interested, definitely look into it for sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
again, the link is in the description there, guys. So when you look at the description, it says I trust, right? So yeah, again, there you go. La la la. Oh no, we have some spammers in the chat. Yeah, I know there are quite a few of you guys that have transferred over. Some of you guys use iTrust, so that's amazing, right? So again, the link is in the description there for iTrust to get the hot rates discount, right? So yeah, super chat from Antoine. What do you think about Inu's chart? Uh, Thank you for the super chat. Uh, do I take a look at this? We to the moon, majestic. Wow. Shilling your Stuart is not happy about this. These guys are in full force. Stuart, mark my words. Well, thank you for the super chat. Is it a brand new game? What are the details? Again, give us some details, guys. What's up with Cujo Inu? What's like what is it all about? Give us some details, and then we can take a look. Here you go. I trust capital. It's amazing
Well,
how
who
like
the hell is coming in here right now?
I know,
Cujo, Cujo, Cujo,
Cu-
Cujo,
right?
Cujo, Cujo.
For Cujo. There you go. Where's Cujo? Cujo's coming, guys. Uh, Cujo
Cujo.
Inu. And now Minnie's looking it up. Unbelievable. See, it's working. It's
No,
working.
it's a movie. You've never seen Cujo?
No, Cujo's a movie?
Movie.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like a scary movie
Oh, okay. I had no
about a
idea.
vicious dog.
Oh, I had
It's
no
kind of
idea.
scary.
Okay.
It's like rabies.
Wait. What?
No, for real. I swear. I've never finished the movie, but I watched a little bit of it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a movie.
Okay. So FOMO virus versus do we FOMO Cujo now? Big mean dog. That's what it is, Peter. Oh, okay. Oh no. Here we go, guys.
There you go. I looked at it. Cujo. That's a lot of zeros. That's like quite a bit of zeros, not gonna lie.
Yep.
Like, that's a lot, a lot. That's like Pikachu zeros. And it still took my money. Like with those kind of zeros, you feel like you never lose money. You're like, hey, I'm never gonna lose money. No, you'd be surprised. Like
Oh,
that was like Pikachu zeros, and I was like, I'll put $500. Like I'm not,
oh,
it can only go up. No, gone. $3 left. So be careful. It's already up 220%. So be
yeah.
careful. Yep.
When
There you
is this
go.
thing brand new? Like, okay, yep. I don't know.
Yeah, they said it was listed like 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Okay.
Last 7 days, December 29th. So
Okay.
yesterday?
Uh,
Yesterday?
yep. There you go. So Sandina, I know you're asking who. Um, I meant to ask, what's a good entry point after breaks the neckline of the head and shoulder? What you're looking for to get in on the head and shoulder is as we're clearing, right, and holding above the right hand side of the shoulder, right? So let's see. Let me just do an example here. So again, so this would be what you're looking for, right? Again, so you have that shoulder, you have the head, right, and then you have the right hand shoulder here. What are you looking for? As we're clearing this level here, that's confirming that we're breaking above that head and shoulder, right? So that's what you're looking for. Or you can take a look at the bottom, right? If we're bouncing off the bottom of the shoulder, right? So you're gonna have a level where if we're bouncing off the bottom there, that's what you're looking for. But most people look for this level, like as we're breaking above the right hand side of the shoulder there. That's what you're looking for, Sandina. Um, that's what you're looking for there. For to break above that head and shoulder there. Come on, Shiba Inu Dino. Yeah, 34. Yeah, Holmes. Uh oh. Uh oh.
What?
I thought you were
Oh,
looking at Elon's. Elon's. What's
how Elon Musk became the face of crypto. Watch now. No, thank you.
Elon, the face of crypto?
Yeah, I want to share that though.
Mhm,
Wait, not that. Not that one. Because we
mhm.
did this the other night, and it was kind of fun to think about where we were a year ago on a
Yeah,
lot of these things.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
oh,
Um, yeah, big. Like some of these names, it's madness. Like Ethereum here, BNB, madness.
AVAX, mad-
Avax, madness.
madness.
ADA, 18 cents, madness. Doge, madness. XRP, Solana,
Solana, madness. Could you
madness.
imagine? Whoever said
Chrome,
they're going to be a millionaire at 1,000, yeah.
yep,
Madness.
yep,
Crow, 5 cents.
yeah. Like it's been a journey. So it's been a. Wait, can I buy a cup? Did you treat?
When is Shiba going to get its own little emoji? Look at BNB's got their own emoji.
Yeah,
Hmm,
Shiba
well,
Inu
not
Dinu.
cool, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you want to become a member, come join us. Vara shared that link there to come join us if you in Discord if you want to. So yeah, come join us. And then the Shiba developer here. I don't know if he's said anything else new. And
Uh,
some are like, yeah,
Nothing
it's
really.
yeah, so yeah, yeah. To be a hope this is my year to a million, Stuart. That would be amazing. That would be amazing, them. So it will be for all of us, Dimitri. Yeah, let's go. Come on, right? So let's get going here. Year the millionaire, guys. Roshi, Roshi. Year the millionaire. Yeah, it's we crushed the 3K. Okay. So Shiba. Um. Shiba, so like that notification about Shiba having like almost over 1 million holders right now. That's pretty amazing. Um, that's pretty amazing. 1.1 million Shiba holders, guys. Hot rates meet up on me. If so, let's go, Stuart, guys. If we get to 1,000 on Solana, guys, hot rates meet up on Stuart, guys. Come on, Stuart. Come on, let's go. And yeah, so there you go. Follow Hot Rate on Twitter if you want to, and all the fun stuff. 12-0 is Zatan, yeah, right. So it's been a journey for a lot of these names. Hmm.
Why am I following like so much? Uh oh. Who's that?
That's Crystal.
Crystal?
Oh no. Oh no, guys! An hour ago. Oh, that's a retweet from. Let's go, Crystal. Thank you very much. Let's go.
Mm.
Unbelievable. Let's go give that a retweet like. Uh, here you go. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what it is.
Oh, Shannon Bray's joining the Solaverse. What is the Solaverse? What's that? Like Solanaverse? Meta-
Interesting.
Hmm.
It's not a yeah. No, no, no. So the yeah. Get them fingers crossed. Get them crossed. Come on. Mm. Let me see
There's
here.
some new listings on crypto.com. You can buy Strong Inu. What
Strong
is
Inu.
that?
Sinu.
EDU coin.
Hmm.
What is Strong Inu? S Inu?
Huh.
Oh, that's added to the DeFi wallet.
Yeah.
Indie coin, Doge on Mars.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
Interesting. Strong Inu, guys. Roll ups when you have time. In 2022, Stuart? Okay. Look into ZK rollups. ZK rollups when you have time. Stuart, this is why we want you in the crypto channel, Stuart. So we can. I know you have a lot of good ideas when it comes to crypto, right? I know you do. You do a lot of crypto research, but nope, Stuart. For some reason, Stuart is too busy. What's Stuart busy doing? Yeah. There you go. It's massive 2022. Okay. ZK rollups. Sounds like I'm starting to think decentralized is overrated. Yeah. Um Sierra. Yeah. Oh, you really you bought some Koju? That's because you were part of the Koju spam army, right? So I hope you would buy it before you
Before you spread it.
are gonna meet up with our Lambos and get Blaze placed. Oh no, Dimitri. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, Dimitri. I'm ready. Ready for these Lambos to manage. I've just got my laptop, so coming to Discord soon. Is that what is that what um there you go. Super chat from AOS says great job done by Koju devs, trending everywhere. Yeah, good job guys. Thank you for
Job,
this.
guys. Way to go. You did it.
You,
Congrats.
there's a word I want to call you. When this starts with an A, but I'm not gonna say it.
You did it. You did it. World's best cup of coffee.
You did
That's
it.
on Elf. Have you ever seen Elf? He's like, you
No.
guys did it. World's
Oh,
best cup of coffee.
oh, oops. You guys watch that cartoon? It's because I played with kids, guys. So don't judge me
Elf
for
is
singing this
not
out.
a cartoon. Elf is not a cartoon.
No, no, it's something else. I wanted to sing la 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 la. You did it! You did it! Hooray! You know that song?
Dora the Explorer?
Yeah, Dora. Is that Dora? That's
Yeah.
Dora. Oh, that's Dora. Okay, there you go, guys.
Oh,
You
you
climbed the
can do
tree.
it.
You found your way to hot trades. You did it. You did it.
No,
Hooray!
you can. No, it's not that. No, that's. What is that? Come on, let's get to it. You know that you can do it.
No, that's not
Grab
it.
your
Though.
backpack. What
Is
is
it?
it? Grab your backpack. Climb aboard. What is that? What the heck? It's bothering me. You did it. What is that? Does somebody know?
Can someone tell us, please? La 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 la
I'm
la
like
la
on the edge of
la
my
la 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 la. I'm pretty sure that's like that's like that's like that's
It's
virus.
not Dora. It's not Dora.
You sure it's not
Grab your
Dora?
backpack.
Diego.
Quiet
It's
boy.
Diego. It's Diego.
Yeah, Diego.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was.
I never watched I watched a little bit.
Yeah.
Little Einsteins.
You did it. You did it, Beth. Um. Yeah. Little Einstein. Just connected. What is this rubbish?
My favorite cartoon when I was little was like, what is it? The bear and the big moon. I don't know if
Okay,
you've
I have
ever
no
seen
idea.
one.
Yep.
Yeah, Luna the moon, and then
Yep.
bear, and then yeah, that was my favorite.
Yep. There you go.
It was like the really poor animated, like where
Yeah.
it was like puppets.
Yeah. That's funny. Derek. Thank you, Derek. Um, Lois says, ADA no longer good to keep. What's changed for you? When you say ADA is no longer good to keep, what's your? Do you have a reason for that? Oh yeah, no,
There it is. There it is, D-Rock. That was my
yeah,
favorite when I
yeah,
was little.
okay. They're in the blue, in the big blue
Oh, Toy
house.
Dora.
To the kid show
Yeah.
host.
Yo
Yep.
soy Mindy.
Oh, you're asking? I know Ada has really struggled this year. Well, in the last few months, it's really struggled compared to everything else. It's struggled, right? So, super chat here from I uh see new all-time highs in Cujo tonight. New all-time highs. Okay, yeah.
I bet
Um,
you too.
uh,
I bet so too.
yeah,
Because it just
all-time
came
highs.
out.
Day number 3. All-time highs. There you go. You asking? Yeah, no. Again, so for ADA. Honestly, again, so I don't mind ADA as a long term investment. Like I really don't mind at all, right? We're bouncing up some key levels of support, so we have some nice support around $1.20, right? So depending again on what the crypto market does together, right? Um, Cujo, they're taking over the world. Cujo is, yeah, and the Shinja 4 hour chart. Shinja, okay, maybe I will. Give me a minute or so. So
Hmm.
for the yeah.
Weird. Things are just like literally like I don't know. Like
Yeah,
the comments are like changing every 5 minutes.
yeah. You did it. You did it. Hooray.
Hooray! Cujo!
We're gonna be next time I think about that song, I'm gonna think of Cujo. And unbelievable. Um
Cujo and their great adventure to get trending.
yeah. No, but
Good for them.
yeah. And that's what a
Takes a
lot of
lot
the
of work.
yeah.
Yeah. A
Yeah.
lot of people, that's what that's how a lot of these get started. And then so it takes, whether or not if they're good or bad or whatever you think,
Yeah.
at least they're trying. It takes a lot to get yourself out there and
Yeah.
put it into this world, whether
Mhm.
it's streaming on YouTube, whether it's making a new poo coin,
Yep.
you know,
Yep.
whatever. It takes quite a bit of energy. So I
Mhm.
feel for you, Cujo dev team. Good job
There you go.
working late at night.
Marketing crypto's marketing brilliance. There you go. That's what crypto is. Get that marketing team working and you can make some gains. When you're little, I was in high school watching Mickey Mouse before school. When you were little,
When were you little? I don't know. Like
yeah,
in early,
when you were little,
early 2000s,
yeah.
watching the big bear in the big blue house and Frazzle Rock. And what else?
Mm,
I liked when Blue's Clues was like Blue's Clues, like
mhm,
way back then.
mhm.
That was good.
Ooh, I'm just looking at ZK rollups here. I'm looking at ZK rollups here. I don't know if I want to share this.
Say Cujo name. Cujo.
Cujo. Cujo.
Rugrats. I used to have Rugrats. I used to have them all on the VHS, like the
Yeah.
tapes, and they were all orange, and I
Yeah.
loved it. It was like the one VHS like that, because they're all usually black, but like Rugrats were like bright orange.
Yeah.
I knew exactly which one it was Rugrats every morning.
Rugrats.
Have your
Uh,
kids handy dandy notebook. Yeah.
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 Well, I have nothing to say, guys. I didn't. Don't know what to tell you guys.
Blaze
Um,
grew up in the village. He didn't watch cartoons.
yeah, I did. I grew up in the village, so all these cartoons you guys are talking about, I found out about them like years and years and years later. Unless you guys want to talk about Moby Dick, uh, French TV show. That's
This
the only thing I
reminds me.
remember. Huh?
It just reminds me of this show, like Step Brothers. You saying that? I don't know why.
Really?
Don't watch that show, boys.
Okay. Let's see here.
Uh,
Z. Go
Thomas
ahead.
says, "What village, sir?
Hmm?
Cameroon.
Uh,
Cameroon.
oh, what village? What village?
The bush.
The bush. That's the bush. The bush. There you go. From Cameroon, I had trauma. Cameroon, the village. So this is what Stuart was sharing again. Thank you very much, Crystal. So this is what right. So we can go over all of this stuff, but I don't think we will. Right. I just wanted to quickly just pull this up on screen. So that's what Stuart was sharing. There's one of the big projects for 2022 here. So Plasma is a name given. Cool, cool, cool. Right. So you can so I'll post this in Discord, guys. Right. So you guys can transfer, blah blah blah, right? So you guys can take a look at this stuff on your own, right, and go from there. So we'll talk about this in Discord, so and go from there. As we're just here chilling for a little. So let us know if you have any last questions, guys, before we take before we call, let's say 10 minutes or so, right? So let us know if you have any questions or so, and then we can take a break in. Yeah. So anyway, you can add me to Discord. It's just blank when I click the link. It's blank. So when you go to Discord, you see how you can add friends. Can you add me as a friend? Then I'll send you an invite, Johnny. So just make sure that I know it's you, right? So here's my Discord name. In the chat there, Johnny. Send me a friend request or something, and I'll send you an invite again. So you still have to follow the process, though, right? You still have to go to those channels. Uh, yeah, there you go. You still have to follow those channels there, right? Where you from? From Cameroon, Dimitri. So I have been away for a while, D-Rock. That's okay. I know. That's okay. Well, glad you're here now. What's your favorite project? We don't even need to ask Mindy, because
Hmm.
Mindy's been spamming and spamming, spam
Never.
and
Never.
spam.
When do I spam? When do I spam that? Never. What's your favorite project, Blaze?
I don't have a favorite or anything. Like I really don't have a favorite of anything. So for me, when it comes to crypto, like I just have a whole bunch of things that I would buy and never look at them again, right? So like a little bit in this, a little bit in that, and yeah. So favorites anything? No, thank you, not really. So whatever I'm interested in, buy a little bit, forget about it, and go from there.
My favorite one is the one that's making me money at the time.
Yeah. So
That's
that's a very
usually
good,
how it goes.
right. So yeah,
I like them all. Whatever
yeah,
I'm invested in, I like them all. But
yeah,
my favorite one is the one that's making me money
yeah.
at the moment.
Yeah. Here you go. No, no, no. Front I have some good projects to look into. Not with some due coming months. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Cujo Inu Dev here. Let's talk on VC and I'll do a little AMA.
I do EMA. Okay. Cujo Def, Cujo Inu. Cujo is live. Cujo guys, look at this. We're gonna work with Cujo. So send us an email. Send us an email at the top of the screen there, Cujo, and see if you want to do something. Stuart is gonna absolutely love you. So Cujo Def, there you go. So email at the top of the screen there, and we can talk. I dare you to buy a small bag of Cujo. I dare you to buy a small bag. Once we actually take a look into it, what it is, right? We can go from there. So
Is that a double dog dare?
double dog there.
Get
There
it?
you go.
Get it? Dog Cujo. Classic.
Unbelievable. It's it's me. Stuart says it's me or Cujo. It's me or Cujo. Stuart. Um. I guess that's funny. Um.
Mm.
That's, uh,
Man,
well,
Cujo clan's out and about.
so, yeah, I mean, you see how like brilliant, like marketing, and I know we know exactly what they're doing, right? So, and that's and it's cool. It's cool. It's just the whole
Chat with the Cujo Dev. Yeah, they said they emailed Blaze, so he'll have to check his email later.
yeah, and then you guys can explain like Marlo says um, there you go. uh Head trauma beast channel here, sub, yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new, all the fun stuff, right? If you want to become a member, the membership link is in the chat there from Virus, right? So come join us in Discord. So also supporting you guys too, Josh, supporting, yeah, thank you for the support. So yeah, there you go. There you go, Stuart. um
Join Discord. Join Discord. So much fun.
we wanted to come in with like a joint Discord chance. It's like Cujo, Cujo, Cujo.
Yeah, I mean, heck, whoever.
Okay, sounds good. Um, sounds good. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see an email. Reaching out to see. Nah, yeah, I'll take a look at that. Let's go. Yeah, smash the like, guys. Let's get to 100. Ice cream time for you and the grandson gains in the AM night. Good night, Crystal. Yeah, we're gonna call it a night here in the next 3 minutes or so, guys. Right. So, yeah.
I'm just trying to help Johnny here.
Mhm.
Johnny, can you try this where you click this on Discord once you've created, add a server, and then when you click join server, paste that invite link in there,
Mhm.
paste that invite link in there, and click
Mhm.
join. See if that works.
Mhm. There you go. So yeah, again. So it's just that plus button at the bottom there, Mindy, on the bottom of
No, it's up here. Yeah, right here.
yeah.
Add server,
Mhm.
then join a server. Add invite link.
Yeah. You have the invite link already, right? Right. So you have that invite link already. Um, so just put that in there, and then you should be able to join that way.
Try that way. Anyway, somebody has to snow where you are. It's terrible.
Yeah.
Don't you live here? Don't you live where I live, D-Rock? Are you one of them that lives here? I can't remember. Oh, it's terrible. Like, it's howling out there. Just
It's
sideways
how,
snow. Like,
how
it's bad.
yeah. There you go. Yeah. So Johnny, try that, please. Right. And if you still have any questions, if you still have any questions, just send me a username to the email at the top of the screen there, right? And then we'll try and figure that out there. So 30% staking contract, Antoine.
Okay, D-Rock, so you know, D-Rock lives where I live.
Yes.
Not exactly, but in the same
Hmm.
area state.
Yeah.
It's terrible here. They've
Hmm.
closed the freeways, some of them. Like, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
I'm just inside drinking hot chocolate, streaming with my favorite streaming, whatever it's called. I don't know. I don't know how to like say that. I'm laughing. I don't know why you're laughing. Streaming with my favorite streamy.
No, you wanted to say stream with your favorite person. That's fine. I accept.
No, it wasn't.
It's closed. Case closed,
No,
Robert. She wanted to say
you're
streaming with
not
my
my
favorite
favorite
person
person. You know
and
my
case
favorite person is
no,
Robert.
my favorite person and case closed. That's it.
No,
But a
no.
thousand from me, Majestic. Let's go, Majestic. Yeah. Um.
It's like spring there, Beth. Oh my gosh, I wish.
Yeah.
D-Rock, you're about to make some apple cider? Yeah. It's freezing outside. Like,
Mhm.
not like Canada, but, like Utah snow freezing. Like, just, it's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, Robert. Yeah, you.
Huh? What?
Milo's laughing. Just streaming with my favorite streamy.
You streamy? What's a streamy?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
guys.
What is it? Just streaming with. I don't even know.
Yeah,
Streaming with
well,
my
it's
favorite
because you
hot trades. Yay. I don't know. I didn't know what to say. Like, I was trying to say something cool and I just. Yeah.
for the snow. For the snow for
Yeah.
you so far. Yeah. Snow.
Yeah, D-Rock. Yeah, but is it supposed to be like. Let me see. I'll put it into Celsius for you so you can. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. You need to chat to him like right now, Stuart. Unbelievable. What's this, Stuart? Oh, what's this rubbish?
Look at like -12 Celsius, like
Wow,
through the
really?
night.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
It's getting cold for you
cold.
guys.
It's cold. I
Yeah.
know.
Wow. I
I
know it's
know.
minus 40 for me.
Every
Huh?
time I let Casey out, she looks and like looks at the porch and then looks at the snow and she comes right back inside. Like she's probably been holding her pee for like I don't know 8 hours. Like she does not want to get off the porch.
Yeah.
Like she's freezing. Yeah.
Yep.
Boom boom boom. Everyone's like Cujo.
Cujo. Cujo.
Dude, we're glad we're not in West Yellowstone. It's supposed to get down to -24.
Hmm.
Yeah. -24 Fahrenheit, Blaze. That would
Good.
be like, I don't know, -1,000 for you, probably.
Unbelievable. Um, Elon? Yeah, Elon looks good.
Well,
Elon. Elon Dogelon.
up 4% today.
Yeah,
Sweet.
4%. So Johnny, where are you? Are you? Is it working for you, Johnny? Can you see the channels now before we hop off here? Let us know. You don't like it, Beth? Yeah. Can you pull up Elon real quick, Dimitri? Yeah, Elon looks good there. So again, that's the 1 minute time frame there. It's up 4%, right? So it's doing better than most in the last 15 minutes or so, right? So you can see that we clearly have support here for Elon at 14, right? We talked about this 14 level here for Elon. Right, had a nice push, came back and tested the level, and it's holding, trying to recover here, right? For Elon to really start pumping here, we need to clear this 22 level, right? I'm sure when Elon starts breaking that level, we're going to talk quite a bit more about it, right? So it looks good, right? It looks really good there. So, well, not really good, but it's holding its support here at 14. So hopefully it can keep doing that. And that breakout level would be this level, like right there at 22, right? You can see 22, 22, right? That's what we need there for Elon. So really, la, la, 68 in Florida. There you go. In raining in SoCal, okay. You should gift some Cujo. Yeah, that's true, guys. No, it's not working. Not sure why it's not working for you there, Johnny. So send an send me
Are
an
you
email.
on?
Go ahead.
Are you on your? Sorry, I'm about to cough. Are you on your mobile phone? Or are you on like Google Chrome? What are you working on?
Hmm.
Because if you're on your phone, try your computer.
Yeah. Yep. There you go. Oh Mal, I told you. I told you. As soon as you sold that thing, it crashed. Did you see how far ISBC dropped after you sold it? Let me take a look. ISBC. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mallow,
Yeah.
I'm in with you. Whenever Mallow buys, I'm definitely. Mallow makes
Don't
money.
say that, Mindy. Don't say that because we're gonna. Um, there you go. No, it's
I agree
amazing where that thing came
immensely.
from. Though. From $12 to red for the day, Marlo. I did not see that. From 12 something to 8. That's the classic like take profits run. And yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but Mallow plays with that a lot though,
Yeah, that's
doesn't
it. Yeah,
he? That
exactly.
and like isn't it like OI or something that he plays with too? Like
OP.
IO
OP.
OP. There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. Two names figure out what you know. Just like some people play only with Apple Mindy, like only Apple. Apple scarf Apple over and over and over.
It
Or
works. It works. I've done that before. Like all summer, I was playing with like CCJ and OCGM.
yeah,
The
exactly.
majority of it. So
Yeah.
sometimes
Mm.
that's the best thing because then you've got like support and resistance just like embedded into your brain, and you
Mm-hmm.
know when to buy and when to take profits. Like always,
Yeah.
it's just it works.
Yeah. There you go. So Johnny still yeah, so let me see here, Johnny. Take a look at my email stuff there. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not working for you there. Not sure why that wouldn't be working for you.
Can you email like a screenshot
Yeah.
of what it looks like, invalid or has expired? Maybe Blaze can send you a new link or something.
So let's try this one more time here. Um, it shouldn't be like it shouldn't be because that's just a brand new one, Mindy. So, but let's just do a new one here. Um, so try this one here. Again, it's only gonna work if you're a member. So if you're not a member, guys, don't bother trying, right? So, uh, Johnny, try this new link in the chat here, right? So click on that link, see that takes you to Discord, and you can see the channels now. Let us know. A super chat from Noir. Time for your best pickup lines. Is your name Earl Grey because you look like a hot tea?
I don't have any good pickup lines.
Uh, no, those one from the other night, Mindy.
Yeah, the one that B said for you that you liked.
Yeah, what was it called again?
Uh, do you like diamonds? Cause you're the only diamond. Something I don't
Okay,
know.
okay. Yeah, and then there's another one too. Hey, is your are you I'm Bitcoin. I'm Bitcoin. Can I crash at your place tonight?
Yeah.
That
Or
was good.
hey, do you mind? Do you mind, bro? No, I just mind my own business.
That's not even a pickup line. That's just a funny thing.
Minty, are you tired? Am I tired?
Tired?
No, that's just my
Minty?
face. I just have a RBF, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, what?
An RBF? You never
Am
heard
I
of an
still?
RBF?
Oh, okay, sounds good. Never mind. Why do you
It's
say
late
that?
where we're at, you know? I think
Yep,
you guys, like, Mom, I think your Cujo clan's in a different country, but it's like 9 o'clock here.
yep. Ego. Nor setting fries with that shake. Do you have fries with that shake? Do you have
Oh my
fries?
heck, it was a thing.
What was the thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you should be
I
tired.
thought you were roasting me, head trauma. I like almost put you on my doo-doo list. I was like, this guy. Like another one.
You should be
Thank you.
tired.
That was good. That was
You're running
good.
through my mind
Way to
all
go.
day. Minnie's
I
not
was
gonna
like
leave
a
us. Minnie's gonna leave us and become like the Cujo spokesperson, guys, the lead. The
I'm gonna
the
be like Queenie is in that AMA
Mhm.
sheep thing.
Yep.
I'll be Queenie for Cujo in their
You
AMAs.
you you're gonna make your dream come true.
Yeah. Get paid for playing video games all day, like Queenie. Yeah.
You got played. Very nice. So Noir says, can you do a telekinesis? Because uh, you have made a part of me move without even touching it. Unbelievable, Noir. Thank you for the super chats, Noir. Um, Noir, what parts of you are moving without touching? Do you want to let us know? I mean, we don't know. Noir, maybe you can, Save Moon V2 is climbing. Save Moon is pumping. Save Moon pumping.
Woo!
It's pumping.
Wow, where's Travis?
Yeah.
Oh, Travis, where you
Yeah.
at?
Maybe that's
I
why
know
he
he's
was
in
in
here.
here earlier.
He's been doing those Safe Moon AMAs and tweets in the Twitters.
Yeah.
He's been doing those.
Yeah. Drinks to my drinks to your mouth, Noir. Yeah. Um. uh, Welcome to Hot Shit After Dark, you all. There you go. I won, guys. I won. Yo, you did it! Hooray!
New
I
all-time
won,
highs.
guys.
I told you you'd hit new all-time highs.
Yep.
It's brand new, you know. You guys are out there spamming stuff. Like, yeah, people are
Yep.
probably excited for you. I'm excited. I just have, you know, my crypto's tied up right now. The way my bank account's set up. The way my bank account, like Kevin Hart says, see, the way my bank account's set up.
Yep.
I gotta move this money to here, then I gotta do this and this, yeah.
Yep. Yep. There you go. Hey yo, let's go, guys. Let's go BTC 69420. Let's go. Let's go. Cujo Dev says, let's chat. Yeah. I see your email. I'll get back to you. Right. Then we could do a call or something. I don't know. Yeah. So everyone else say boom, boom, boom. Everybody say Cujo. Stewards. Yeah. Unbelievable, Steward. Yeah.
Man,
La, la,
everyone's
la.
like, Cujo Dev is here. I'm
The,
available now, anytime.
can, um, let me see here. La, la, la.
Send it. Just send it.
Send one.
I'll just message you.
Okay. um. Okay. Come. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. There you go, Johnny. Johnny, you're on the way. You're on the way, Johnny. You see the channels, Johnny, right? So that link seems to be working. So it might be an expire link there, Johnny. So again, now just go to the getting started and follow those images there now. So you click on the cookie, right? Now go to the other part of it. Invite enough people can yeah, Cujo guys. Cujo wants to come on. Let me see here. Cujo. Uh
But he's gonna get you hooked up. Don't worry, Cujo Dev, so don't go anywhere. You must be a Canadian beaver because you're dying for some wood, Noir. Noir, you're sending $5 for this stuff. Come on, come up with a better one. You gotta
are
make
you
me laugh, Noir.
are
It's
you
hard.
roasted more?
Yeah, Noir, I want a good one. Noir, send me a good one. I wanna see. Let's see what you can come up with. Cujo Inu Dev said LFG. Let's freaking go.
Here you go, Johnny. Yeah, you're there. Yeah, it seems like that. It might be just a link, Mindy.
When
So
you copy the link, does it ask you when it expires?
that does. So I need
Okay.
to fix it like right away. Because that's
My duck's not even charged for this Cujo event. Like, what the heck? Not
what?
even prepared.
Huh?
I said the duck's not even prepared for this Cujo event.
Cujo
Coochie
event.
cooch.
Mm,
Coochie
la, la, la.
cooch.
Cujo event. Got it. Membership got it.
Johnny boy. ooh, into Discord.
Only in. I just missed. Just
Is
fixing
Cujo a
that.
rug pull? Everything could be a rug pull. You never know. But I guess we'll figure out. Figure it out.
There you go.
We like supporting people that support us. So Cujo is What's up, Art of Doze?
Art.
What's up, fam?
Yeah.
Need 7 more likes? Yeah, smash that like. Let's go.
Uh, la.
Let's see. Always invest what you can afford to lose. Let's go, guys. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Nah. I have to find out how to get connections. Thank you for took you a while. Yeah, no, there you go. So make sure you use the right email there, Johnny. Right. So and then click connection, click YouTube, and then just sign in with the right email that you're using on YouTube here. You'll be fine. For me. So yeah, Robert, that's what you guys are waiting for. Unbelievable! You guys are waiting for a show. I want to talk about lust. There you go. I want to talk about
Oh
tele.
no.
What I we're gonna save this. I can see what you're looking at. Um,
Oh no. You guys are in for a treat.
nah.
That's okay
Yeah,
though.
there you go. So Kujo, get back to me. Get back to me as soon as possible. The email. Oh no, Mindy, where you going now? And then we can talk about Kujo, guys. A little bit. Stuart is gonna leave. Stuart, don't go anywhere. We need you here. No. So yeah. Mm, 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 mm. He mailed you already. Let's see. Uh, um, nah. You back to back, Stuart. Here, especially on night streams, beware. Beth, there you go. So Mindy's gonna be when Kuja comes on. Mindy's gonna be the interview. She's gonna interview you.
No. Heck no.
Mindy's gonna, Mindy's gonna, you
Nope.
know,
Nope. It's all you, bro. 2 more likes, says Head Trauma.
she more likes. There you go,
I like his little emoji, dude. What is that? That's pretty cool.
Kujo, like the Kujo emoji.
No, like the Head Trauma's like picture.
Yeah. Mm, 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 mm,
Boom. Boom.
mm, mm,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa,
mm.
whoa, whoa.
Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, until 100. Let's go. Mindy DMs. No.
DMs.
Oh, yeah.
Where? Oh.
Let me get you a link here, Cujo.
Cujo. I need some more hot chocolate for this thing.
Well, it's too late. It's too late. We're ready for Cujo. 1 second here. La la la.
You guys want to see the Cujo in my room? I'll show you the Cujo in my room. I gotta take a picture. That's the Cujo in my room right now as we speak. Good old Casey Cujo. You're missing it, Blaze.
Coming. Hey, super
She's
chat.
sleeping, but like her nose is like, yeah.
Oh, Casey the Doge, guys. Hot Trades
Casey
Cujo.
Cujo.
Hot Trades Cujo. Super chat. New member. No, go ahead. New member, guys. Art of Those became a member. Uh, why does that name seem familiar?
I don't know.
I mean, you've been here the whole time, anyways. But I'm just wondering if you've been a member before. Um, I know you've been here the whole time because I've seen your name. You've been here for a while and supporting always. So Kuja, I sent you an email. Art of
Hot
those,
chickens.
welcome. Thank you very much for the support. So again, come join us in Discord, please, and thank you. Right. So go over to the community tab on YouTube and click on that link. Right. So Scotty just sent you a message there. You should be good to go. Right. So
Deacon Scotty.
Deacon. Ta-da-da.
Just a longtime viewer. Well, welcome.
Yep.
We love you. We love you.
Welcome to Hot Rates. Yeah, come join us in Discord, please, Art. Right. So go to again. So you know what to do, right? So let me know. Right. Community tab on YouTube. There's a link there. So click on that link. Go to the Rose channel first. Follow this. Click on the cookie at the bottom after reading the instruction, reading that stuff there, and then go to the getting started and follow those images, and you should be good to go. We have a. You have a. Here you go. Na na na.
Just got real weird.
There you go. So yeah, I think so. Chase is Cujo. Chase Benson is Cujo Dev. Okay, cool. We're waiting for step number one though. You have to do step number one first, and then come on, Chase. Tell us about Cujo. We have your Twitter page pulled up here, Mindy. There's no. This is unbelievable, Mindy. Are you kidding me?
I'm
Uh,
not. I literally have to go grab some water. I'm dying.
okay,
He
hold
still has to
on.
do step number 1 or 2. I'll
Okay,
be right.
bye,
One
bye,
second.
bye. One question for you. Do you like one question for you, Stuart? Nah. Uh, nah. La, la, la. Yes. There you go. Yeah, la, la.
It is so cold. I'm crazy.
Um, Giveaway 1 million giveaway. La, la. Never end live channel. BMW, so we're never ending live. Yeah. I have a question, D Rock. I'm sure you guys have questions for Cujo. So for Chase, right? So yeah. La, la. Yeah, Cujo Dev. Mm, hmm. Wallet. I mean, you can take out like the private chat in on StreamYard.
Mm-hmm.
No. See if we can respond to that. No. You have questions? I'm sure you guys have questions. Minty. See. No. Mm, 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 After. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Super chats from Noir, guys. If I was a duck, this is what I'm gonna leave it for Mindy when she's ready.
Good job.
Wow,
Good job,
Noah, that's
man.
all you get. Great job. Wow. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. Good job, Noir. Thanks for trying. Better luck next time, I guess. Mm, 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 mm. One second here, Cujo Chase. Just fixing some stuff here, and then you should be good to go. They're coming. First question, why they're coming, guys. They're coming. Then we can take a look at CoinMarketCap, take a look at the Twitter page, take a look at a few other things, and then we can call it the night, right? So Robert, so get those questions ready. I thought yeah, no, we were fastest. Just give us a second. I'm all the way in. Thank you. Let's go, Johnny. Congrats, right? So now you can see all the channels. With that one on my own, trombone sound, Noir. Yeah, I don't know. La, la, la. One second, Chase, and then some la la la. This- no, you guys wanted this, Stuart. Are you Stuart? You guys wanted this. Stuart, this is all you. Beth, you can blame Beth. This is Beth's fault. Um, yeah, it's been working on that past 30 minutes. Oh, I have no. Mindy, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just sitting here. I'm trying to get the thingy.
Okay.
Sorry.
La,
Sorry.
no lies. Are you getting flashbacks, Robert, of what? Can you tell us what you're getting flashbacks of? Um, here you go.
I don't know how this works.
There you go.
Hmm.
Uh, uh,
I think I figured it out.
okay, sounds good. UTA. So once is this actually coming on to yeah, Kuja's coming on, guys. So Chase Benson is coming on, Kuja Dev, and we can see what this is all about, right, and then go from there. So I'm more 80 people right now. I'm not trying to add my super chats. See your super chats, Noor. Uh, 50, and Stuart, no Stuart. Um, where's Beth? Where's Beth? That's what you should be. Stuart. Uh, Stuart. Yeah. Nah, here you go. Um, mm, 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 mm. Maybe Doctor for kid. Yeah. uh,
Wow.
Crypto, go to bed. No, guys, don't go to bed. Don't go to bed. So, while we're waiting for Chase here, guys, right, to just set up there, right, setting up, right. So, you know, again, Elon is holding nicely there. Let me take a look at a few other things here. So Shiba, right? So I can put up Shiba here. See what that thing is doing again. So just below 34 there again. Not exactly what you want to see. And then in terms of Bitcoin here, let me pull up BTC. It's 47. Okay. Yeah. Not a whole lot happening tonight, guys. Again, it's quite, we have a range of names, in like range in terms of price that we're looking for here. Again, $52,000, right? Is what Bitcoin really needs to break above to confirm that we're out of this little downtrend here, right? So, uh, mm, there you go. There you go. The chart. Okay. Alrighty. Can you guys can you hear us, Chase?
Yeah, I can hear you guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Nice, let's go.
Let's go. Too bad we can't see you.
I don't even have a webcam right here. I got it on my laptop, but it's out
Okay.
in the car.
Okay. Look at that, guys. There you go. So those wait.
Yo, the Cujo community is representing in the stream, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So can you walk us through a little bit like what like you know what Cujo is?
Yeah, I mean, we launched probably a little bit over 48 hours ago. We're trying to make a bold statement in the space.
Hmm.
I think there's a lot of tokens that come out, representing a tag of the Shiba Inu killer. But I think over the last 48 hours, we've shown that we're on our way to solidify that name and make it you know make it
Hmm.
ours. I
Hmm.
think a lot of people have tried, but it's a big shoe to fill.
Hmm.
Um, but I mean, essentially, some of the things that we have coming. Today we just launched our BSC token, bridge the two together. So I don't know if a lot of the viewers know, but they work in tandem. So you're able to buy on BSC, you're able to buy on Ethereum, and you can actually bridge the two together, and they work at the same time
Hmm.
together. But
Hmm.
it's with like some of our tokenomics, some of the things that we have. We originally burnt 40% of the supply. We have 30 setback for staking.
Hmm.
That 30 will it'll be unlocked at the end of the week, and once that is unlocked, then um, we'll open up our staking platform. As it stands right now, it'll be a 6 month staking. So over the next 6 months, that 30% supply you'll be able to actually earn passive rewards just from that.
Hmm.
And then the rest was added to liquidity.
Okay.
Um, but we've got a lot of stuff coming. Staking systems. We did the BSC launch, the Cujo swap, and all the partnerships. I like how you had dogelon Mars because I know some of the guys from that.
Hmm.
Um, and some of these big tokens that are already out. I've been pretty well connected in the space, and I've got a lot of resources in the space. So we've already been talking with a bunch of different tokens and everything, and we've got plans to make our own Cujo swap, be able to add liquidity. Same thing, kind of what Shiba's doing, but we've got a lot of twists to it. We've got a
Yeah.
lot of different utilities, bringing some new features to market.
Hmm.
Um, you know, also like liquidity lockers, so similar to what you see on like Unicrypt or Team.Finance.
Hmm.
Um, I mean, also offering, with a lot of our features, offering rewards programs for referrals, in this space, whether it's, networking onto YouTube, anything like that, even jumping on here,
Yeah.
um, if you can get something for the user, whether it's a referral fee or whatnot. I mean, you just get this thing snowballing, and I mean, it's going to start taking over. So
Yeah.
that's kind of where we're headed. That's kind of what we have on the plate right now.
Okay.
We've got a lot of other stuff, but
Hmm.
it's always good to hold some stuff back and tease, and keep everything interesting.
Yeah. Okay. I know this might be too early to start because most of these coins come out, it's never about partnerships or utility. But Robert is asking here, do you have any partnerships in mind? Anything like in terms of utility? Like anything?
Yeah, I mean, just like what I said right there. I mean, you've got the Cujo swap.
Yeah.
We've got a staking swap,
Hmm.
a staking platform,
Yeah.
with the liquidity locker. As far as a lot of those features that we're going to use and be able to offer. you know, the goal in all of that is not only to bring more attention to the project, but also, you know, a form of money making. So, you know, any any revenue streams that the token would make, you know, you can throw that back into to either, you know, like an additional staking pool or buybacks and stuff. And, you know, you start throwing the dirt underneath your feet, and this thing really starts to grow fast.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Amazing. Stuart, let us know if you have any questions in the chat, guys. Again, so please and thank you. I know you guys had questions. Yeah. So
Yeah.
you see the chat, right? Go ahead, Mindy.
Stuart's asking, how do you differentiate yourself from every other crypto?
I mean, yeah, that's a pretty good question. I like that. I mean, there's a lot of similarities in the space. There's a lot of people that do the same thing over and over and change the name and I mean, and they disappear and everything. I think the one thing that sets us apart from a lot of other places and a lot of other projects is, I mean, if you come and you sit in that Telegram for a day or for just, I mean, even a little bit, you're gonna see the determination, you're gonna see the fight, the drive, and you're gonna see that we're actually putting in hard work. I mean, you've got tons of coins out there that are promising the moon and not doing anything. You know, I was in voice chat earlier and I was talking about, you know, there's nothing worse than buying into a token and you sitting there and, you know, they've got these plans, but it's like you just want to like take a stick and poke it and like, come on, do something, move. Like, you know, it's like,
Yeah.
oh, man, what did I buy? What did I buy into?
Mhm.
You know, I mean, I don't buy much anymore. I only buy stuff that I've either got a connection with or something like that, because I'm usually just working too hard to really follow a lot of the projects.
Mhm.
But I mean, there's nothing worse than buying into a project that's not working for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Black Noir wants to know if there's a reputable exchange to buy it on, or is it just through like PancakeSwap or anything like that? And then, are you looking for exchanges in the future?
Sounds like a marketing pitch there at the end. Are you
Mhm.
looking for one? Yeah, I've got tons of hookups with exchanges and stuff like that, and it's definitely, you know, a process that I'm familiar with. I mean, it day two, you know, day three. No, we're not. You know, it's not. It's going to come to market very soon.
Mhm.
You know, day two, day three. It's it it's something that it benefits you as you go forward.
Mhm.
Um, and there's a lot of stuff that we already have set up. But yeah, I mean, they're very soon you're gonna see us listed on a. I would venture to say, without try, I don't want to give away too much information, but there's going to be a very reputable one that you're going to see get posted soon, and it might take some of us by surprise. But you know, currently, you know, you can buy it on Uniswap, you can buy us on PancakeSwap, and that's just day two. So I mean, I
Okay.
think very soon you're going to see us on one.
Actually, this is a really good question because we do a lot of these calls from time to time, and this is a question that I always ask because I think it's really interesting to know. Like, what's your background in in the crypto space? Like, is this your first crypto venture?
No, I mean, so I've been a part of a lot of different projects and stuff. You know, usually I'm more on the back seat, you know, just helping with the development or helping with the marketing side and,
Mhm.
you know, pushing it as hard as I can. But, you know, there just comes a time in this space that you got to branch out and you got to kind of find your own footing and try it for yourself. So, you know, over the past 3 4 years, you know, building up resources and building up you know, the knowledge and the know how to do this and do it correctly.
Mhm.
You know, I just felt like it was my time to shine, and let's make a jump and let's make a bold jump, and Hey, I mean, the Shiba Inu killer is coming.
Let us know if
Nice.
you have any last questions in the chat, guys. Again, Chase, anything else you want to end with? Just make yourself stand out a little bit or anything else. Let us
Yeah,
know.
do you have anything else like you want people to pay attention to or anything going forward?
I didn't know if the chat had anything. I mean,
Um, D-Rock says you mentioned you have it on BSC and he cannot find it.
I mean, I can drop like the chart, and I can drop like a buy link. The best thing I'd tell you to do is, if you got Telegram, join into the Telegram, and
Mhm.
we got tons of information on there. But yeah, I can get a buy link in there, anything like that, contract address.
Okay, sounds good.
Sweet.
There you go. Absolutely, David. Absolutely. So, Robert is asking, how did you hear about hot trades?
I didn't actually hear about it. Somebody else was posting it. I mean, any and every eyeball that you can get on your project, as long as all I need them to do is look our way in the community and in the project and what we have coming. I think we're able to catch a lot of traction off of the eyeballs that we do see. So I mean, as soon as somebody said, "Hey, we got a live stream going, let's go," I think every single person in the community was ready. I mean, we got a fierce community. I can't do this alone. I could try, but it would just never work like it does with the community like we have. So I mean,
Mhm.
truthfully, hats off to the community and all the people that are sitting there, not only just investing, but trying to find a place and and pushing this thing just as much as I am.
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys gonna create a website in the future with like a white paper or something, or like a roadmap of what you expect the future for this coin to be?
Yeah, definitely. We already have all that done. So if you go to www.cujoinu.net, we got a really in-depth white paper on there. We did kind of mirror the Shiba approach as far as not limiting ourselves to a specific roadmap. So there's a little bit of a broader roadmap. It's not nailed down. It's not, because sometimes in this space, you put too much information out there. I see projects listing a quarterly plan, and with this space, it changes every day. I mean, you wake up in the morning and the market could be left, right, up, down. It could be anywhere. So, um, you know, keeping it fresh and keeping it ever evolving, that's really important. But yeah, definitely go check out our website. There's so much good stuff on there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, thank you very much for your time. We'll take. I'm sure we're gonna have more questions, and we can look at this when we hop off or something. But yeah, thank you very much, Chase. Thank you for your time. And
Definitely, I appreciate you guys having me. If you guys need anything, I'll be in Telegram. I'm always available, so I
okay,
appreciate you guys.
okay. Well, thank you. Have
Yep.
a wonderful evening. Yeah.
Yep, take care, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for coming on.
There you go. There you go, guys. Stewards, why forefront? The shouldn't be utility be a steward. Stewart was ready. If Stewart was yeah, let's go. Yeah, no. Usually we don't do this because this is like what we do. We get a lot of coins. Like we turn down a lot of coins every single day, like to do this.
Right.
Um, right? We turn down a lot of coins because we have to go through this process, and we usually say no, no, no. Right? So yeah,
Oh, they do have a white paper though, which is like it's better than a lot of the new coins out there. Like just having that white paper, having that website. You don't see that a lot with brand new coins. So I wish them the best of luck, and I hope they have a you know I hope
yeah,
they see the moon. But
yeah,
yeah, you don't see that a lot. That they've I haven't read through it or anything like that, but they do have a website and a white paper, so it's
yeah,
very informative and nice.
yeah,
Very nice. A lot of coins don't. So
yeah. Again,
Good job
guys.
on
Yeah. This is just like part of the DD process, right? Do your research. Do your research, guys, right? Do your research, please and thank you. And
Yep.
then before you make a decision on anything, as always, right? Do your research. And again, uh, and like that, but no, is different from yeah. So, uh,
Yeah, just be careful with new coins, guys. They've, they're as much as we want to like, have fun with it and stuff. But just be careful. Like you said, do your research, and yeah, for sure. So we don't do that often. Mhm.
no, this is Stuart's fault. Stuart, it's your fault. I was
You
just
guys
made a bit.
are, yeah, Stuart, it's your fault. We
It's your
blame you.
fault. uh, why you were Dimitri?
Why we're trying to kill Shiba?
You don't know what we're trying to kill Shiba? It's again, it's marketing, right? So, um, like most of these projects start like this by starting in a way that is very that would drive people to them, and then in the future they can maybe rotate to actually doing what they want to do, right? So
Mhm.
same thing like Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin, the same thing. Shiba, same thing, right? You start with something that's appealing to people, right? And then you rotate, and then right. So
Yep. And when Shiba first came out, I mean not first came out, but do you remember we used to get Shiba spams when we didn't
yeah,
even care about Shiba at that time, and we were like, oh my gosh, like people were just it was like that. So everyone starts somewhere,
yeah,
and
yeah.
yeah,
There you go. No, that the community. No, I mean not saying like that, but I mean like the idea of like becoming a Shiba killer, right? So, that's what that is, right? So, not again, not the idea of like you guys coming here, but the idea of like the name and like you know, so you know what I mean. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, but that's a lot of intention for these things. Yeah, I was going to say that. Yeah, right, Robert. So, yeah, again. My bags, Stuart. Can you unpack your bags, please? Unpack your bags, and let's go, Stuart. Please and thank you. So we're gonna hop off in like 2 minutes, guys. So yeah, let us know if you need anything else. But again, thank you guys very much. There you go. So Stuart, unpack those bags. Come on. We
is Cujo really listed in Shiba Swap? Is that like a swap you can swap it for?
yeah. It's like it says that on like when you were looking at Twitter.
Yeah, it says it on there.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, cool, cool.
Cool, cool, cool. Nah. There's only one killer. Yeah, no, Shiba doesn't want to be called a Doge killer anymore, guys. They have their own like footing now, their own
She should create that like, ooh, Dogecoin killer. Ooh. Now you've got the new Shiba killer. Ooh. But yeah, do your research, guys.
yeah.
Like,
No, we're pumping. No, Doge would be pumping. No, exactly, Dimitri, exactly. So, thanks for the show. Love watching. Yeah, thank you, Josh. Thank you, absolutely. So
yeah,
yeah, don't
it's
forget to smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe, and if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, guys, the membership link is right there, right? So come join us in Discord. Yeah, and let's go from there.
very interesting.
Interesting, interesting, very interesting.
Shiba said, what? There's a new Shiba killer out here? Let me just get you a fat green candle.
Nice green candle. Come on, Shiba. Come on, Bitcoin. Right. So, um, let's go, Beth. Go into and look into this. Okay. Yeah. Again. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna leave it there. Thank you guys very much again for the support. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. Right. So, see you guys later. Beth,
No.
D Rock. You're lucky. It's the new year. Thank you, Stuart. We love you, Stuart. We love you. You're lucky it's New Year time. Okay, Stuart, New Year, New You. Come on, Stuart. That's a festive. Uh, there you go. Peace, Dimitri. Good night, Joseph. Thanks for the head trauma. Good, John. You have a good night. Good night, Robert. Art, peace, and love. Jim, have a good
You're
night.
dreaming of NFTs. All right, Robert. Good night, guys.
NFTs. Hypnosis, Stewart by Fast. Good night, Robert. Uvia. Okay, yeah. Alrighty, guys. You're joining? No, can't do that. Robert, Stewart, no. Not allowed, unacceptable. Good night, Scotty. D3, good night. Shiba, ending on a good note. Bitcoin ending on a good note. Antoine, good night. Bye, guys.